Hey, Melissa. Yeah, are you feeling okay? I I guess. What's the matter? You sound sad. Well, I am. What could be the problem? I'm too scared about Monday. You're scared about Monday? Wait a minute, is it about your repairs again? Yeah. Melissa, I told you if the repairs go well, then you'll be fine again. I know, but you told me there's a 50% chance of the repairs working. Yeah, that's true. But let me tell you this. I'm pretty positive that the repairs might work. You just gotta believe in yourself. I know. I kind of feel a little uncomfortable. What's making you uncomfortable? The consequences. What consequences? Of my repairs not wanting to work. Um, well, if the repair don't work, then you'll have to permanently retire, and we'll have to put you to sleep. I don't want that to happen. It feels like it feels like an appliance will stop working for good without anybody knowing it. I don't want to go through that. I don't think you're gonna go through that anytime soon. And I'm worried about a machine taking over my spot. Melissa, I done had this conversation about the consequences many of times. I know, but I just don't know what to expect. Well, just look on the bright side. Maybe the repairs might go well for you, and you might live for another few years. I guess. Well, is there anything I could do for you? I guess you could get me a bologna sandwich. What'd you say? I said I could. I guess I can have a knuckle sandwich or a bologna sandwich. Melissa, that is not how you say sandwich. Well, to me, it's pronounced sandwich. No, it's pronounced sandwich. Melissa, just say sandwich properly. Okay. It's bologna sandwich. Are you hearing yourself right now? No? Why? It's not. It's bologna sandwich. You just said it yourself. Oh, shoot. Okay. How about this? I'm gonna give you a few words and you try to pronounce them right. Okay? Okay, what you got for me? Try to say car. It's cur. Excuse me? It's pronounced cur. Whatever. Try to say sandwich. Sandwich. There's no M in sandwich. Yes, there is. No, there's not. Whatever. Okay, try to say flip flops. Flip flaps. There's no flap in flip flops. Okay, try to say navigations. Navigations. There's no P in navigations. It's pronounced navigations. Okay. Try to use those 4 words in a sentence. Or 5 words. Okay, here goes. I'm getting in my car with my flip flaps on, and I'm about to go to Subway to get me a sandwich. but I don't know where to go, so I'll use navigations while I'm smoking cigarettes. It's not funny. You're saying it all wrong. Oh, yes, it is. It's hilarious. Okay. Try to say this sentence again, but say the words correctly. Okay, I'll try. I'm getting in my car with my flip flops on. I'm about to get a sandwich from Subway, but I don't know how to get to Subway, so I'll be using navigations while I'm sitting in the driver's seat smoking cigarettes. Oh my god. You know what? This is kind of cheering me up. I should show you even more by pronouncing words incorrectly. No. Okay, forget about that. I'll get you a bologna sandwich. Yeah, you said it right. You have such a weird accent. Like, literally. It's not weird, that's how I speak. Whatever. I'll get you a sandwich. Okay, good.